Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw Captain Jack Sparrow from Pirates. Let's go in there at the top, and I'm just going to pop a little sort of dot at the top there. Okay, that's the top of the head area. And I'm just going to use that, just do a curve out either side of that. It's like the top of the head. He's kind of got his like bandana on. So that curve there's a bandana. That can then just curve down a little bit here, and then curve down there, and then just join that up with another curve around here. There's a couple of little trinkets and things on that, so just going to pop like a line in, circle, and then maybe just a couple of elements there just to show that it's material. Then let's pop down his nose in the centre here, about there. Let's just pop a little line for a nose in, just sort of with the bridge of the nose. Just going to sort of draw a couple of lines up like that, and like just pop his eyebrows in, like inquisitive like eyebrows. So just a hint, just going under the bandana there like that, okay? Let's just pop the rest of that sort of face in now we've got those brows in. So, kind of like his hair kind of comes down here, and then his face comes around here, his chin sort of comes around there, and then goes up to the top here. Then we can pop the eyes in. Now I've got that frame, so heavily made up eyes, so I'm just going to do curves around here. Just put that little dots in there, and then we're just going to join that up at the bottom there. It's got the other pirate makeup on around there like that. That's cool. All right, just a little bit more on the nose. Just going to pop a bit more in with the bridge of the nose there. Then we can put like his little moustache in, so like a little jaunty moustache going on there. Let's pop in a little wry sort of smile under there like that, and he's got like a little beard just under his lip, so a little sort of triangle, just like that. And then we're just going to sort of work out where his beard area would be. So that beard sort of comes down here, it goes along the chin line, and then kind of goes up. Let's work this out a bit. Just a few little lines up here where the beard area is, around there. Okay, that beard area then, it's kind of like a couple of little sort of tassels on that, and it kind of comes down like that there. Okay. Alright, now we've got those elements in. Let's just have a look. There's a few little trinkets on this piece of hair here, so a few little circles. Same thing here, just sort of work out, and then there's sort of a few little sort of tassel bits, pop those on. There's also like a little sort of tassel bit that comes along here. And then there's like bits of like hair that come out, so it's got like hair coming out here. So I'm just gonna kind of go a bit like quite thick where the hair sort of comes out, sort of just down around here. Maybe I'll just join in that there. So it's got his hair coming out here, so a few little bits of hair coming out around here and just around this area too. We can add to this in a minute as it goes further down. There's a few little more like tassel bits and work down like that. Okay, that's cool. Get that sort of pirate look on him. So his neck kind of comes down sort of around there. So that's his neck area there. And then he's kind of got a shoulder area kind of here, so his jacket kind of comes out here. So just going to do a little line out like that. Let's just do a little curve around like this at the moment. So that's the inner part of his jacket. Then on this side, his sort of arm comes sort of out here, the shoulder area to about there. And that kind of jacket area comes sort of around like that, okay? This inner part here, it's kind of like at an angle going around here. So I'm just going to move that in like that. And we'll just put a line in here where his belt is. Now just along here, he's got a big sort of belt strap on, so I'm just going to pop in like a rectangle here. And then we'll just sort of put a bit of piping around that. I'm just going to put a few little bits of detail around that. And then we'll join up that belt strap, kind of goes up to here, kind of comes sort of down here and around, and then joins up. And then it sort of comes sort of down here, and as it does that, it's kind of got his like little sort of bit of material that comes down and out like that. So I'm just gonna, from this point, just do like a little wavy line, sort of join that up just there. Okay. Right, now we've got those elements in. Let's have a look. We've got a bit more of his sort of side jacket, so draw that in there. This kind of comes down here. It's got a pistol in here, so I'm just going to do curve out and around, down and in, just to show that the edge of the pistol around there, and then this bit kind of just sort of joins up here, and there's a bit more of a shirt that sort of goes around that area there. Okay, right, let's have a look now. So we've got a kind of like belt area here. He wears a couple of belts, so he's got a big sort of, let's put a rounded rectangle in, like a big belt area there. We'll just pipe that off, just add a little bit to it like a belt. So this part at the top is the first area of the belt. There's another little rectangle here, just fill that in there, and then we'll just try and sort of join it along, so up to about there. This belt strap sort of comes down this way, a bit of an angle, that one can go up there. There's another little one just underneath. It's got a holster here, so I'm just going to sort of draw in a bit of an oblong there, and again we'll put another little end of a pistol in just there. Then we can join up these bits of belt, and we can kind of just join up another little line there. It's got loads of bits of belts and straps and stuff like that going on here. Maybe a little bit of piping for just some detail just around those straps, maybe like a couple of little holes going on. Cool, okay. Then he's got the rest of this part of the jacket kind of comes down sort of from this point, sort of comes around like this. So I'm gonna just go down, around, and up like that. And then on this side, it kind of seems to go along. I think he's actually got his compass this side. So I'm gonna do another little rounded rectangle, put a circle in the middle for his compass, and then we'll just make it look sort of 3D there. That's kind of hanging off the belt as well. So a couple of little straps like that. And then the rest of this sort of jacket goes underneath like that. Cool, okay. Next up, let's just pop the trousers in. So his body sort of angle sort of goes around like this way. So the split of the legs is about there. Gonna pop one leg that kind of comes down here to the knee. Draw another little line here to the knee. A couple of wavy lines as it goes to the knee area. And then this leg kind of comes down sort of this way. And then we'll just do a line there where that leg is and down to sort of the knee area there. A couple of little lines where that knee and the material goes in. And then he's got these big boots on, so just under the knee, I'll just do a little bit more material there. And then we'll do 2 rounded lines, okay? This then flares out, so the boot kind of flares sort of out like this, and join that up. And then here, flare these out, so that comes out here and here, join that up, all right? This foot then is facing sort of towards us, so I'm just gonna sort of draw 2 little lines in there, and then we'll do the foot area, so bring it out at the end, bring it out and in like that. A couple of little curves where the boot is. And then this foot is going out here, so the boot will go kind of like down like that to the heel, little heel area there, and then just go along like that, bring it up, and then bring up sort of quite sort of bumpy looking sort of boots, so a couple of little lines in there. Maybe we'll just draw in where the heel area is, along there, okay? Just a couple of little sort of trinkets and things just on the jacket there, so loads of detail on Jack Sparrow. So that's cool. Right, okay, now we've got that, let's pop an arm in. So the shoulder on this side is gonna kind of sweep down to about here. So I'm gonna take it, maybe just put a little bit rounded area where that jacket is, get a curve, just take it down slowly and around like that. And then this side, sort of the material will come sort of around and out, and then from about there, kind of just quite a baggy shirt, so round that out about there. And then what we can do is pop a thumb in, so I'm going to put like an oblong there, like a finger's going to go here, and then 1, 2, 3 oblongs, and then just join that up there. And we'll just pop a couple of circles where that shirt is. Okay, there's a bit of a join sort of going on here, and we'll just put some like ruffles of shirt there. And then on this side, so what we can do here, his arm's going to come down and out, so we're going to draw that down like that. Bring that around here, and then baggy shirt, so the baggy shirt is going to kind of come up around here, just come around that point, and then it's got like the cuff on this area is a little bit more obvious to see than the other side, so cuff kind of comes out around like that, and then we've got that kind of thumb area there, and then Jack Sparrow's sort of finger sort of going out here, 1 and then we'll just go 2, 3, 4, like oblongs like that, join that out. Then he's got a couple of rings on and things, so just like put a few little lines in there. I imagine he's got a couple of little ones on here as well, so just put some like little rings on there. Bits of detail like that. And then we'll just go around the edges here, just make sure we've got those points done. Just join up all the little bits and pieces. All right, that's pretty cool. Just a little bit more hair like going in here. Now we've drawn the rest of it, so his hair kind of comes down quite a way, so just going to do these sort of thicker pieces of hair kind of come around him and then like come out. It makes him look more piratey, just sort of a bit like sort of spiky. It's quite thick sort of bits of hair, so just have those coming out. It adds to the effect there. I don't think you can have really too many, there's loads. All right, that looks good. Just going to put a little bit of a floor in behind him, just to ground our character there. A few little lines in here, maybe it's like just in the sort of the water maybe, just a little bit of an idea of like that there. Cool, and then I think we can start colouring. So just get this like off kind of white. I'm just going to use this for the shirt. Just going to make sure I've still got a little bit of sort of like a creamy sort of light brown off white. And I'm just going to put that just around my character here, just in the darker areas. So it just looks like the shirt's a bit like piratey and dirty. It's a really good sort of base colour for this guy. Maybe just around here as well. It's like a nice little base to build up from. And then maybe that the trousers areas, we'll just pop it in there to start with. And we can just build on this with the brown later on. Just populate that. Maybe just in with the hair area there, sort of this bit lighter, just this point up here. Sort of those lighter areas, we can just put it as a sort of bit of a backing base. Maybe this belt as well. Sort of area under here. And maybe bring it into there, this point. Okay. Nice, that's good. Got that in there. Let's pop a skin colour in. So just got a sort of piratey weathered skin colour here. Just gonna fill those areas in. Let's pop the hand area right there. Put in there. Around here. And then we've got his base, so a little bit darker on this side, it's underneath the eyes. Maybe the light sort of hitting him from this side, so we've got the light sort of on this side and this side. So we'll just sort of leave a little bit of light around there. There we go. That's cool. And then what should we do? Let's get ourselves a lighter brown, and we'll just start populating those sort of lighter areas of brown here. So do this like holster, this gun area here, belt. The boots, I'll do those in this brown colour too. Just leave a little bit of light either side of there, just to show the material off. Okay, got that belt area there. Let's just colour that in a bit better. Area around the belt too. Okay, that's cool. And then let's get some nice blue for his jacket. So I'm just going to get chisel tip out and just sort of put that nice sort of Jack Sparrow blue in where his sort of waistcoaty jacket area is. Here. Yeah, it's starting to look good now. Starting to get that colour in, nice block of colour here. I think really, so that bit there's the blue, isn't it? think we've got a little bit of blue going on, sort of where the compass is. So just fill those areas of compass, maybe just leave a little bit of light around it so it looks a bit circular. And then maybe in here with some of the trinkets as well, we can just sort of populate a little bit of blue, add to the effect of our character. Okay, that's good. And then let's get ourselves a dark brown and fill that in there. So this darker brown for the trousers, we've already got a bit of a base on it. Just start populating that up a bit more now. Just a slightly different, darker brown, so just help add that depth to our character here. And in some of these belt areas, there's some darker points, so we'll just pop those in, maybe around there, maybe the strap point here, around there. That's cool. And just maybe go back to that sort of off-white colour. I think that's his shirt there. Just pop a little bit of that in around there. Maybe just a little bit of sort of detail on that side of the boots. Add that top bit. Maybe a bit of dark in here, so just around there. Belt area, dark browns. And then I think, let's have a look, let's get a nice sort of popping red, sort of deep red, just on the bandana area. Just help make our pick look. Give it that little pop of colour is always quite nice on the pick. I think there's a few little bits where we can just add in the sort of those trinket areas, just around there. And maybe also sort of this area, a bit of material, just add little lines of sort of red in there. There's maybe just a little touch there. Just go back to a sort of a lighter brown and just fill in the rest of this material here, just at the bottom there. Okay, so looks good. Then I think what I'll do, just go grab a gold colour and I'll just pop a little bit of that lighter sort of yellow around here and here, just a few little areas where it's got a bit of sort of pop, maybe just on the gun areas as well. That's cool. And then I've got a grey, which I can then just use, show these belt buckles of our pirate. Nice, there we go. Maybe just go around that grey, just add a little bit of depth to our skin colour there. Nice, okay, and then let's just in the sort of the shoreline, so I'm just going to put a little bit of like lighter blue around here, just a little hint. So the lights are maybe reflecting off the water there, and make it sort of like very sea-like at the bottom there. Great, okay, let's grab that nice blue pen, and I think that's it for art draw. So that is Captain Jack Sparrow on art draw. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please do like and subscribe, and we'll see you again. Bye.